Ever wake up suddenly gasping for air? Most people assume it's sleep apnea, but there's another cause many don't know about: nocturnal acid reflux. When stomach acid creeps up your esophagus at night, it can trigger your airways to tighten, making you feel like you're choking. The worst part, many people don't experience heartburn, so they never suspect acid reflux. The fix? Avoid eating 2 to 3 hours before bed, sleep on your left side, and elevate your head. If it keeps happening, get checked. Your lungs and throat will thank you.